O Divine Providence, awaken me and make me conscious. Cause me to be detached from all else save Thee, and captivate me by the love of Thy beauty. Waft upon me the breath of the Holy Spirit, and suffer me to hearken to the call of the Abhá Kingdom. Bestow upon me heavenly power, and kindle the lamp of the Spirit within the inmost chamber of my heart. Release me from every bond, and deliver me from every attachment, that I may cherish no desire except Thy good pleasure, seek naught besides Thy countenance, and tread no path other than Thy path. Grant that I may enkindle the heedless to become mindful, and the slumberers to awaken, that I may proffer the water of life to those who are sore athirst, and bring divine healing to those who are sick and ailing. Though I am lowly, abased, and poor, yet Thou art my haven and my refuge, my supporter and my helper. Send down Thine aid in such wise that all may be astounded. O God, Thou art verily the Almighty, the most powerful, the Giver, the Bestower, and the All-Seeing. Abdul Baha.